How to create Telegram account without number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create Telegram account without number, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now if you would like to create a Telegram account without number, let's say you open up Telegram and then you tap the start messaging. The very first thing you can see, the option it asks me is to simply enter my phone number. There's no option to create account using email. There's no option to create account using other remedies. The only thing that you have is your phone number. So can you create Telegram account without number? The answer is no. But can you create Telegram account without having a real phone number? The answer is yes, because even if you are underage and you don't have a real phone number for some reason, there are some virtual number providers that are going to provide you this virtual phone numbers online, where you can also receive the SMS code. But also I'm not going to discuss that in the depth for this particular video. If you're interested in that, I'll make sure to drop a few links in the description box as well. You can always check that out if you'd like. Bottom line is that you don't need a real phone number. You can get virtual phone numbers, search them up in Google. You'll find many websites available where you can get the code and start using Telegram. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.